Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered if it's all real? Or could our entire existence, everything you see, feel, and know, just be an incredibly sophisticated computer simulation? This isn't just a wild idea from a science fiction movie. It's a serious hypothesis that some of the brightest minds on our planet are exploring. It's called the simulation hypothesis, and it proposes that our universe is fundamentally made of information, just like the code in a computer game. Think about it like this. In a video game, the world seems real to the characters within it. They follow the game's rules, its laws of physics, without ever knowing they are lines of code running on a processor. Could we be in a similar situation? Philosophers have pondered this for centuries, from Plato's allegory of the cave to René Descartes' evil demon. But now, with our own advancements in computing and virtual reality, the idea feels more plausible than ever before. We are already creating simulated worlds that are becoming increasingly indistinguishable from reality. If we can do it, why couldn't a far more advanced civilization have already done it? And we are one of their simulations. Oxford philosopher Nick Bostrom laid out a compelling argument in his 2003 paper. He suggested that one of three possibilities must be true. Either civilizations like ours go extinct before reaching a post-human stage capable of running such simulations, or advanced civilizations lose interest in creating simulations, or we are almost certainly living in a simulation. Given the sheer number of potential simulations an advanced civilization could run, the number of simulated realities would vastly outnumber the one base reality. Statistically speaking, it becomes more likely that we are in one of the many simulations rather than the single original universe. If our universe is a simulation, we might be able to find evidence of it. Physicists like S. James Gates, Jr. have found what looks like computer code, specifically error-correcting codes, embedded in the equations of supersymmetry that describe the fundamental workings of the universe. This is a startling discovery. Why would the laws of nature have built-in error correction, a feature typically found in computing to ensure data is transmitted accurately? It's almost as if the fabric of reality is designed to prevent glitches in the matrix. Another clue could be the resolution of our universe. Just as a digital image is made of pixels, our reality might have a fundamental, smallest possible unit. This concept is known as the Planck length, a scale so incredibly tiny that space and time may no longer behave as smooth, continuous concepts. If we could probe reality at this level, we might see the pixels of our universe, the ultimate proof that our world is digitized. But what would that mean for us? If we are just bits of data in a cosmic computer, does that make our lives meaningless? Not necessarily. Your thoughts, your feelings, your experiences, they are all real to you, just as a character's journey is real within the context of their story. The purpose of the simulation could be anything, from a scientific experiment to an elaborate form of entertainment for our creators. Perhaps they are studying how life and consciousness evolve under a specific set of physical laws. The rules of our universe, like the speed of light being a constant and an absolute speed limit, could simply be processing limitations of the cosmic computer running our simulation. This prevents the computational load from becoming too great for the system to handle. It's an elegant way to manage resources, ensuring the simulation runs smoothly without crashing. Thinking about this can be mind-bending, but it also opens up incredible possibilities. If we are in a simulation, could we find a way to hack it? Could we find backdoors in the code of reality to manipulate the laws of physics? The implications are staggering and push the boundaries of what we consider possible. Whether we are a biological accident in a random universe or a complex program on a cosmic hard drive, our quest for knowledge remains the same. The drive to understand our reality is what defines us. The simulation hypothesis is not just a fascinating thought experiment. It's a powerful reminder that there is always more to discover, and the universe is far stranger and more wonderful than we can possibly imagine. What do you think? Are we living in base reality? Or are we characters in the most advanced simulation ever created? Keep exploring these questions with us. For more mind-bending journeys into the cosmos, be sure to subscribe to Space Rebo.